This is a video about how and where to post my open house video for October 13th at 6 p.m. So I'm in my Google Classroom and I've already got my video made using Screencastify. So if I go to my Google Drive and I go in the Screencastify folder, I can see here I have my open house video for 2020. And that is the one I'm going to post on my Google Classroom for parents. So I'm going to come back here to my Google Classroom. I go to Classwork tab. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make the topic for it. So we're going to have a topic called Open House. So you just go ahead and hit the plus sign here and create the topic called Open House. And click Add. Okay, and it's going to put that topic at the bottom of my Classwork tab here. But I can just click, hold, and drag it up to the top. So I'm going to bring this all the way up to the top of my Classwork tab. So I want it right at the top, and I'm going to put my video right underneath it. So in order to do that, I come back here and hit Create. And I'm going to post this as material because there's really nothing that people need to act on. They're just going to watch it. So I'm going to go ahead and go here, click on Material. And I'm going to call this my Open House video. And I'm going to add it from my Google Drive right here. So I go ahead and click Add, Google Drive, and I have to search for it. So I go to my Drive, and I need to find the folder called Screencastify. Here it is right here. Let's go ahead and open that up. Let me put this in list view. And here it is. So this is the video I'm going to go ahead and insert. And I could put some instructions here if I want to. The topic I want to put it in is Open House, like so. I'm going to assign it to all students. And I'm going to schedule it to post, right? So I'm not going to post it right away because I don't want parents watching it today. I want them to watch it on October 13th at 6 p.m. That's when I want it to appear. So I come to the drop-down arrow next to it and I go to Schedule. And then I click here, and I go to October 13th, Tuesday. And here I'm going to put 6 p.m. and schedule. Okay, so here it is. Now it is at the top of my Classwork stream, and it is scheduled for October 13th at 6 p.m. Now let's go to a student view and see what it looks like. So now I'm in a student view. I'm a student in that same class. If I go to the Classwork tab, I can see that the open house topic and video are not there yet. They won't show up until October 13th at 6 p.m. So let me go back and make a change so that it shows up. Okay, I'm back in teacher view. I come over here to edit, and I'm going to, actually I'll just X this out, this schedule, and I'll go ahead and post it right away. Right, we want ours to go on October 13th at 6 p.m., but just for demonstration purposes, I'll post it right away. Let's go back to the student view. Let me refresh the screen. And there it is right at the top. So again, on October 13th at 6 p.m., we want parents to log in, come to the Classwork tab. At the top, we want the open house topic to be the very first one, and underneath that will be open house video. And it will be put on there as a material. So when I click here, or the parent clicks here, they can click right on this and go into the video, or they could even come view material and click on it this way. Okay, so that is how and where we want to post our open house videos on October 13th at 6 p.m.